Welcome to the gift guide by Car Designer. I also have a gift for you. 5 lucky winners will get this amazing book Explorer by Christian Grajewski. Watch the video until the end to learn how to participate in this giveaway. Gift idea number 1 is Hot Wheels. I love cars, you love cars, we just love them. We also enjoy the scaled ones because, honestly, I don't even know why, but I really enjoy having these little cars. Over the years I collected a lot of them. I used to be more addictive and checking every Hot Wheels stand I see. Nowadays I take a quicker look to see if there's anything new or interesting, but I don't want to spend time as much as I used to do. And as a gift, if I receive a Hot Wheels, of course it would make me happy. And the alternative option might be a bigger scale models like 124 or 118 or these 143 models. I also have some of them and you can make somebody happy with these. Gift idea number 2 is pens and pencils. Yes, it's true that everybody has already some of them, however, they will one day finish and we will need the new ones, right? Most of the time I use the classical big medium ballpoint pen, and secondary option is these Unipin fine line series. They are totally different characteristics. Big is more sensitive to pressure and you can really have control over the line thickness and the darkness. If you sketch a lot, you know what I mean. If not, you can learn from my car design sketching course. On the other hand, Unipin doesn't have this freedom of pressure control, however, there are different numbers for different thicknesses. So you can basically start by thinner one and use higher numbers for emphasizing the important lines. As a gift, you can always give something more rare and more expensive maybe, because we designers love to try new pens even if we will stick to what we have most of the time. Gift idea number 3 is a sketchbook for being company to the pens. A nice sketchbook of any size is a good gift for designers. We sketch, then we sketch more, and then we sketch even more. So one more additional sketchbook wouldn't hurt anyone. I use simple A4 paper most of the time, but if I need to carry a sketchbook, I have Talent's Art Creation dotted sketchbook for a while and I don't have any complaints. Or actually one complaint may be on the soft cover, because I feel like hardcover would be better sometimes. With my own experience, I can say that as long as it has a nice feeling when you hold it, the brand doesn't really matter. Number 4 is an amazing book, Explorer by Christian Grajewski. I love books. I read about many different topics, but when it comes to design I have a couple of favorites, and this is definitely one of them. Let me read 2 sentences from the back. The year is 2065. The end of Earth and all its inhabitants is imminent. Using the world's greatest technologies, a new generation of highly advanced, autonomous robotic vehicles is developed to explore new lands for human colonization. I mean, imagine rather than me if it was Morgan Freeman reading this. It would be more impressive, I know, but still, that makes me curious to see what's inside, what are those designs. And this is the book I mentioned at the beginning of the video. We will give away 5 of them, and it will be the softcover version. The hardcover is already sold out and I'm one of the lucky ones. And thank you, Christian, for that. Wait until the end of the video to learn about the rules of this giveaway. Number 5 is another book for Porsche fans, Porsche Unseen Design Studies. In car design studios there are many concept projects that never sees the sunshine. This is actually one of the downsides of being a car designer or being a designer in general. You work months on a project and you cannot show it to anybody because it is a secret for some reasons. However, Porsche decided to open the design studio doors to show unseen concepts, and in this book there are great photos of them and explanations. The one I have is a special edition, and I think on the normal edition 2 cars are missing, but both of them are pretty inspiring if you are into Porsche. I love it. Also, you can see these concepts on Porsche website that I will leave the link in the description. Number 6 is back to sketching, marker sets. I personally use Chartbug Ed markers because they don't bleed the pen and I like the colors of them. It can be always a good idea as a gift because even if we don't use them every day, we love having them and sketching occasionally. There are different palette options, and for car design, having a lot of gray and some main colors should be enough. Also, the smell is a bonus on these markers. Number 7 can be a graphic tablet. Today you can find many graphic tablet options for affordable price and good quality. Huion sent me these two tablets last year, Canvas 13 and Inspiro Dial 2. They both are good, and depends on the receiver of the gift, it can be very cool. When I was in high school, my uncle gave me a Wacom Bamboo Fan as a gift, and it was my first ever graphic tablet. I used it for years and I still keep it somewhere. It's a very meaningful gift. The bonus gift idea can be an experience. Rather than physical gift, you can pay for a go-kart race or sports car driving experience. I personally enjoy the go-kart a lot, but never spent money on these sports car driving experiences. It may be cool if you find a good deal, I think. Also, another experience can be helping for self-improvement. If you know somebody who wants to learn car design skills and improve them to the next level, you can gift them with my online courses for car design sketching, Photoshop or Blender 3D course. Details to my courses are in my website. Now let's talk about the giveaway. All you need to do is go to Christian's Instagram page, see the latest swipeable post on his Instagram, it should look like this, and comment your favorite design of his. But don't just write the name or the number of it. Write a couple of sentences to describe why you like that design. We will pick 5 winners and send you the signed copy of this amazing Explorer book. I mentioned that book many times on my Instagram because I truly enjoy it. The hard work behind it, creativity of the content, and attention to detail motivates me to work more on my own designs. And my favorite design, I think, is the Hornet. The impressive proportions and the ability of standing vertical on land gives it another dimension. Also, Christian wrote that it was inspired by Bubble Ship in the movie Oblivion, which is designed by Daniel Simon. He is another big inspiration in design world, and also you can find his comment on the backside of the book. So go write your opinions on Christian's post about your favorite design, and you will have a chance to win one of them. The deadline to participate in this giveaway is end of this year. Even if you don't get the giveaway, you can still order the book at Design Studio Press. Have a great holiday season, enjoy the gifts, and see you in the next video.